Let's learn how to create a math text and drop-down item. This item type presents an opportunity to mix multiple response methods into one question. The math text and drop-down allows you to assess your students' understanding of grammar and sentence structure, as well as fill in the blanks for math-specific answers. We will first look at each of the response methods below. For method number 1, 3, and 4, you just simply scroll down to set correct answer, and then type in the answer into the box. For math with units, you'll need to select the units as well. For text dropdown, you'll notice a specific location to input the choices for text dropdown. If I were to add a choice, I could now go to text dropdown and select that choice for the correct answer. Now let's take a look at actually creating a question. I'll go ahead and enter my question in the question field. I'll choose the response box drop-down arrow and select Math Input. Now that I've selected my response method, I can go to Set Correct Answers and type in my response below. Since this is a math-specific answer, none of the letters on my keyboard would work. This will make it where students only type in the number, which will make it more likely to auto-grade correct. Because it's math, I don't need to worry about any of these options below, as these are specific to the text input option. Now that I've finished creating my item, I'll go to preview mode to see it from the student perspective. Then I'll move over to metadata, set my standard, and then publish the item to make it available for assessment use.